During a routine audit of an environment, you may find multiple databases and grids with the same version and then decide to consolidate them. In this video, you will learn how to use the Oracle Enterprise Manager Software Standardization Advisor to review configuration pollution and make the necessary changes to manage or reduce configuration sprawl. The features demonstrated in this video require a Database Lifecycle Management DBLM license. Let's get started. Go to Enterprise Manager and enter your login credentials. Navigate to Targets and then select Databases. Click Administration and then go to Software Standardization Advisor. Now, the advisor displays all the databases registered with Enterprise Manager. I see the option to rerun jobs that were executed previously. Click the Rerun button to review the job name and the status. After the job is complete, click Generate Report. Generate Report provides two Excel files, the current configurations and the recommended configurations. Open the current configurations file. Now, I see a list of databases based on the release, the patch configuration, and the count of databases, plus a few other columns. I see there are multiple Oracle databases listed here that are Release 19C. Next, open the recommended configurations file to see a list of consolidated databases. In this setup, the Software Standardization Advisor recommends to consolidate the 19C databases. Similarly, you can use the Software Standardization Advisor to analyze your grid setup following the same steps. After the report generates, I can review the current configurations and recommended configuration files. The current configuration identifies multiple 19C grid installations and then recommends having only one installation. This Enterprise Manager capability has significant benefits and value, since managing multiple databases can have substantial cost, overhead, and result in deviations from industry or company IT standards. In the description below this video, you can find more details about the LiveLabs workshop to try out this feature using Oracle Enterprise Manager.